Boo. I'm gonna just starting every video like that. Boo. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. Today I have this look for you guys. I don't think I need a long intro. So if you want to see how I got this look that I actually tried super hard on for once in my damn life, keep on watching. I hate that. I hate being like the typical YouTuber, like watch if you want to, like, you know, like yeah. Bye. I'm surprised I actually took the time to do something, because I've been like filling my channel with stuff that's like so like, girl, get out of here, no one needs a tutorial on that. I'm gonna start off with this deep blue shade right here. And while I do that, I'm gonna talk about why I think my house is haunted, because I'm not even kidding at this point. Something crazy just happened to me and I'm like, oh yeah, like that's just
Melissa, my sister.
I mean, she living here without paying the rent, but she here. I was literally just doing this look on this side like 10 minutes ago, and while I was doing that, my pillow decided to move on its own. That was really fun and fresh. Like, honestly, it was really fun and fresh, really cool, really different, really loved it. Even scarier than that, I also heard my brother just tell his friend that he was gonna change his Fortnite name to Call Me Daddy, and that was also really fun and fresh. Hey Dominic, shut up! If you don't know already, my house is really small and my brother is right next door, so if you hear like a lot of screaming, a lot of yelling, it's probably him losing at Fortnite. So earlier today, I was looking on like this website called Reddit, I think, and basically they just have a bunch of cute ass Harry Styles stickers, and I literally just want to buy a high gel flask just so that I can buy the stickers. Like, also, I've been watching The Fosters, which if you don't know what that is, girl, where you been? I've been watching The Fosters like I'm insane for it, you know, like it's an obsession. At first I was watching it and I was like, I couldn't watch like more than like 3 videos in one sitting. But now I'm on season 4 and they just decided to go off. Like, something changed drastically. I do not know what. My wig is thoroughly snatched. I'm actually proud of them because I was gonna stop watching the show, but now it's too interesting and now I'm not gonna stop. So also, I thought it would be cute to write lover loser right here. If you know where that's from, I F with you, you can be in my clique. Next shade I'm gonna go in with is a little bit of this one, just to do a little bit of blending. I don't know why I decided to do green on the lid. That's like so unlike me. I was gonna do the wearing eyeshadow to school every week challenge, and I was gonna start that Monday. It's now Tuesday. Bro, Monday came around and I didn't want to get up. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna survive that challenge. Tori, she just did the challenge. Elenia did that challenge. I think Tiffany did that challenge. How did y'all survive that? Because I was really prepared to start filming on Monday, and a sister flaked. Okay, that's getting really ugly, so I'm gonna actually start going into the purple. Purple I'm gonna go into is this one right here. But yeah, I realized I wanted to start doing more creative looks on my channel. I'm getting tired of all of this, the easy things. I want to do something fun and creative, but I really want to start doing like more dramatic looks like this, because I am capable of doing looks like this. Like, and I love doing makeup, but sometimes I just really lose interest sometimes. Voting is finally today. Thank motherfucking God. I am so sick and tired of hearing the names Martha McSally and Kirsten Cinema. If I hear that name one more time, I will throw my fist through a wall, bro. After this election is over, those 2 names are gonna be long gone from literally everywhere. I don't want to see them. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to talk about it. No. I'm gonna try to do some more blending with this shade, and also I forgot that I blended in some of the pinkier shades, so I'm gonna do that. To be real, the first time I did this look, I did it without the ring light, and it's drastically different when you're doing it with an entire ring of light in your eyes. So sorry if I'm sister struggling. I'm trying my hardest. So I'm gonna go back in with this purple shade. Jesus, I need sleep. I have math homework, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I always decide to do my math homework like as late as possible, meaning the hour before it's due. Like, actually, I'll sit in government and do my math homework, because in government all we do is talk shit. Just deepening the outer V. If you guys really want me to commit to the eyeshadow every day for school, like to school, I already know that's gonna start some uproar at my school. If you guys want me to do that, let me know so I can actually like commit to it. I'm gonna take this bullet brush, and at first, after I bought this brush, I was like, why did I buy this? But it's actually really helpful for this look. I'm gonna take the deeper blue, and this looks, tell me this doesn't look purple in the pan. It does. It comes off navy blue. I don't know if y'all know, but I am horrendous at iPhone games, like Game Pigeon, and I have this friend, and she's really good at pool, and her name is Rosie, and she's really good at pool. I don't know why I don't like mention her more in my videos. She's like one of my close friends. I don't basically every time I play her in pool, I never win, and Not to like toot my own horn or anything, but today I won. And I felt like the baddest sister ever. Ew. And Haley has me saying sister all the time, and I want to break the habit, okay? Like, it was cute and fun and fresh for like the first 10 times I said it, and now it's like really irritating. I was just about to say I'm gonna cut the crease, but I'm not. I'm picky. I'm actually gonna add some more purple real quick. Now I'm gonna cut the crease. This almost was a freaking, what's it called, halo eye. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, I don't like halo eyes on me. On other people they look snatched, like snatched, but on me, I don't know, it's like it's not the same. I can't talk while I do. I can't talk at all while I do this, so time lapse. That looks absolutely disgusting. Oh, child. If someone wants to come over and wash my brushes for me, that would be highly appreciated. I just dropped every brush I own. Look, y'all, I hit pan on this one. This palette is definitely expired, but I'm still using it. I need to calm down. I actually wanted to fight someone for a minute. Why is that, like, why am I even like, I can't stand myself. And thank you for watching my video. Bye. So I dropped this palette earlier. We're gonna see if it's still intact. Thank God. I've dropped this palette about 80 times since I bought it, and it's been holding up really well. Nothing has cracked so far, so that's always great. But yeah, going on with the same color. I can't even speak. And this bullet brush, and then I'm gonna kind of just like gray in the color almost. To be honest, sometimes I'd be wondering why people subscribe to me. I don't even know how to properly tell y'all what I'm doing. I always do these like goofy looks, like not goofy, but like these really like intricate looks like this one, and then I never go out. Like, I just realized I never go out with looks like this, and that's because I don't have much to do. Like, honestly, like, no one invites me to anything, so like I don't have anywhere to go. And then when I do have somewhere to go, I'm like, I'm not about to spend 2 to 3 hours doing this. Like, that means I have to wake up 2 to 3 hours earlier. Like, no. Okay, so the liner looks like that so far, but that's not the way I wanted to look. I wanted to look a little darker, so I'm gonna add a smidge of black to it, just like really close to the lash line. I hope y'all know, if you're an OG, you probably know that my room squeaks, and it still squeaks, don't get it twisted. I've just been cutting out the squeaks and like trying to avoid the squeaks. I literally edit out every damn squeak. We got the bases down. Now I'm gonna just add the gold. I don't know if I was supposed to, the gold. I don't know if I was supposed to add the gold first before like the wing thing. I'm gonna add the green to the lid very concisely, very precisely. That's the same thing, and I will be right back. Now that I got the green down, I'm gonna start touching up the liner again. Just make it really pronounced. Sometimes I be doing the most in my videos. Sometimes I don't do enough in my videos, but sometimes I really be doing the most. These hoes look different, like drastically different. Oh shit, I might have just fixed it. Damn, I'm not good. I'm debating doing glitter because that's the level of extra I strive to be. What do y'all think? I think I'm gonna add glitter. No, not too much, not a lot, but just enough to show that she's out and about and ready to play. We love it. Well, we don't love it, but we don't hate it. So, you know, a little different, but it's cute or whatever. Watch this though.
Hi, sisters.
We're back. Almost fully beat. For the little lash, I'm gonna do some pink, and then I'm gonna do a smidge of this darker purple. For lips, I used the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Truffle. And then the, nope, wrong one. The ColourPop lip gloss in the shade Finders Keepers. I was gonna use this one, but I already used that one too much. Anyways, this is the end of the tutorial. This is the finished look.
I am disgusted. You better talk to her before I do, because I'm hurt of feelings.
Thank you guys so much for watching this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I can't talk. Subscribe, but only if you want to. Anyways, I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you the most. Bye. Peace. Hasta mañana. No, hasta luego. Ciao.